Today, I'm over at 1030 Wilderness in Big Bear City. Come take a look at this gorgeous property. Okay, I'm going to start on the outside. And again, we're at 1030 Wilderness Drive. So you can see nice remote neighborhood in Big Bear City. So the whole property, 2.73 acres, is all fenced in. And we are over in Meadowbrook Estates. It's right here. We've got some RV hookups. And we'll walk down the driveway. So this one is a very stunning equestrian estate. So likely if you wanted to, you could have some horses here. And again, 2.73 acres. And the house seems pretty situated right in the middle of it all. And very generously treed. You can see all the beautiful landscaping that they've done. Out here, we've got a nice horseshoe pit, a little swing, a little area that you could have a hot tub, maybe a little outdoor dining right there. And so you've got a 3-car garage. And you can see on the inside of the garage, it's finished off. And then they've also got 2 tankless water heaters. So we'll start inside. Roof looks like it's in great shape. Very good shape log siding as well. So you enter, and it's an open living concept. So the house itself is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and 3,324 square foot. So let's start over in the gourmet kitchen. Got a nice large center island, plenty of storage. Got a pantry. Some updated quartz countertops. And then a double oven wolf stove. I like this backsplash too, subway tile. And so off the kitchen, you'll find an area that you can go to either the front deck, the back deck, go down into the living room, sunken living room. And notice they've got this really nice wood looking, but it is tile. They have air conditioning in here just by this unit. that goes into the window. You can also see how very light and bright it is. Even if you're walking in here with no lights on, it's still really bright. Nice slopey stove, real wood burning fireplace. I've got this exact same model in my house. Very warm. This is a nice little feature too. This is going to collect all your dust once you sweep it in there. You got some oversized sliding glass doors. Perfect for entertaining. And this is some Chuck stacking as well. So you've got one downstairs master. It's got access to the deck. Hello. We'll go down. Got a half bath in the common area. And then a downstairs laundry room with that same quartz countertop, graded laundry. There's your second bedroom. It's a very nice house if you're looking to entertain people, or if you're simply looking to just come up here and remove yourself into the mountains and be away from everybody. Get that same wood tile. And then this is like the master. So, largest bedroom in the house. Got a nice vanity right here. And then check out the size of this closet. And then additionally, you've got access into the attic. I was up there a little while ago. Nice big space. A beautiful freestanding tub. And then it looks like you could add laundry up here if you wanted to. Did I just see 2 toilets? Yeah, 2 toilets. So you kind of got like a his side and a her side. And then what we're going to do is go walk the grounds outside. Got some good solar tubes as well. Again, you've got a little entertaining space. Patio seating area. This is a very unique spot as well. So this door right here is going to come off the garage. You've got some sheds. It looks like a little chicken area, like a little chicken coop. So this netting over it so that animals don't get the chickens. Got some great privacy trees that block you from the neighbors. Tough shed with electric connected. Now this looks like a little putting green. Kind of the shape of an outdoor pool. .73 acres is an awful lot. And you've got national forest nearby. This is where you could keep your horses. You've got room to roam out here. Little outdoor swing. Nice little concrete patio right here. What I would do is put a hot tub out here. I think it's asking for a hot tub right there. And we've got all kinds of firewood under the deck. So again, 1030 Wilderness, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,324 square foot, and listed for 1.8 million. Call me if you want to take a look. Bye.